after 2 years this one is loaded. I'll say the loaded in a sense that ride by wire आ गया, dual channel ABS आ गया, traction control हो गया. The engine is still the same. The 440cc motor is still the same, producing 27.37 bhp of power, 0.37 bhp extra. That's about it. But it produces somewhere close to 38 newton meters of torque, and that 38 newton meters of torque is definitely useful and handy क्योंकि इसका torque band जो है stays close to 4000 rpm and goes up to 5.5 because it redlines close to 7000 rpm. तो आपको ये इंजन जो है वो काफ़ी सिमिलर फील होगा like a Royal Enfield motorcycle, but this is faster revving and it feels like a very well built motorcycle now. Overall feel feedback, handlebar का feedback काफ़ी अच्छा है. थोड़ा सा vibrations है at 4000 rpm. If you are pushing this motorcycle, you will definitely feel the buzziness going all around it, but you will like it. This motorcycle is comfortable. The seats are changed a little. Seats first I thought were more comfortable, softer and nicer, but because of the rip pattern you can actually grip it well. However, the softness that you expect from this seat is not as much. मतलब उतना soft नहीं है, थोड़ा सा better हो सकता था, but on longer duration it will be a better deal overall, as you will be able to go longer distances without sinking in. So that's it. This motorcycle feels like a properly built motorcycle. थोड़ा vibrations, थोड़ा changes करके ये एक proper worthy bike है. अभी काफ़ी लोगों को डिज़ाइन पसंद आया नहीं आया उसके हिसाब से आप बताइए. There are 4 colors that this motorcycle gets. It changes, like you can pick whatever you want, and I will find that the black color looks the most stealthy and goes well with the Harley name. Harley Davidson लेना है, ये नाम का एक मोटरसाइकिल आपको लेना है, तो you will have to spend 3.35 lakhs on road Mumbai for the single cylinder top of the line Harley, which is this one. बाकी 2 वेरिएंट्स भी आते हैं, विविड और एस, लेकिन उसमें आपको इतने सारे फीचर्स नहीं मिलते हैं. आप दिस इज अ स्टैंडर्ड मोटरसाइकिल विद नॉर्मल थ्रॉटल एंड एवरीथिंग एल्स स्टेज सिमिलर. ड्यूल चैनल ABS है, सब कुछ है, लेकिन दैट इज़ लेस टेक्नोलॉजिकली एडवांस देन दिस वन. So at the end of the day, if you're looking to buy a motorcycle from a 440cc category, there are tons and tons and tons of options. Like starting from the classic 350, you've got a lot. Aaja baba. I will say that the Speed 400 is the best in its budget right now, because the Speed 400 is starting at 2.39 lakhs, and that makes it a lot more worthy of your time. If you want a no-nonsense low-power motorcycle and want a classic look, the Speed T4 makes even more sense क्योंकि वो under 2 lakhs एक शोरूम आ जाती है. What do you think of the 440T? Is it worth it or not? Let me know your thoughts in the comment below. अगर आपको ये मोटरसाइकिल खरीदनी ही है तो you will have to go to the Hero Premier showrooms या तो फिर Harley Davidson के शोरूम जो limited है for the time being. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.